Hey guys, welcome back. Today, I'm gonna show you how I fill in my eyebrows only using eyeshadow. In my opinion, it creates a more natural look and it's so much easier for beginners. So, let's begin. The first thing I do is brush my eyebrows upwards and towards their natural direction. If you choose to try this, look for the best two colors that fit you. I currently have light hair, so I mix a light brown with a dark brown shade from the Bronze palette by Kylie Cosmetics. Then I start by outlining the eyebrow. I leave a gap about the length of the brush bristles to avoid creating a boxy look. Once I've done the bottom, I go right into the top, leaving the same gap. Without adding any more product, I start filling in everything. The gap in an upward direction and the rest towards the natural growth. To carve out the eyebrow, I go right in just as if I was outlining the top and the bottom. I blend out any leftover concealer downwards. And then when I go to the top, I blend the concealer upwards. To blend out any excess concealer even more, I use a wet beauty blender and continue to blend up and downwards. Last, I sculpt the brow into place by using brow gel. And this is the final look. You can leave me a comment for any other tutorials or looks you would like to see next. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and so you don't miss out, click the bell for notifications. Thank you for watching. See you next time.